Welcome to Miami Voice. This is Miami Voice. Miami Voice is a new way for Miami citizens to interact with their municipal government. Now, Miami Voice uses the technology of a DAO. A DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization, and the idea is it's a group of people that come together to make decisions on things. The first ever DAO was the Bitcoin DAO, and they created it so that they could come together in a trustless way, in a secure way, to make decisions and make sure that everyone was given a voice and that everything was done securely. We're bringing that to Miami using the MiamiCoin infrastructure. So when you first get here, it'll tell you a bit more about it, what it is and what you need. The main thing you're going to need to have is the Hero web wallet. So you make sure to install that and some MiamiCoin. You need MiamiCoin in order to log into this on the mainnet. And then it'll tell you a little bit more about the project, etc. So once you've got those things and you're ready, you can log in using the Connect feature. This launches your wallet, and you can choose which wallet you want to authenticate with. And once you're in, now you're in Miami Voice. So a couple quick things. You have your own profile. You can edit it. The image editing is a little buggy, but it will be there. You can change your name. You can add email if you want to, and you can add whatever kind of a bio you want to as well. Additionally, you'll be able to see other members that are in the system. There's some help as well if you need to figure out how to use it. But the main thing that happens is on this dashboard, and these are proposals. So anyone can create a proposal. It is completely egalitarian. You can go into any of these proposals. So here's one to have a bus. You can see I can't vote because I've already voted on this one. There's one to buy the mayor a new Tesla. I haven't voted on that one yet. Yeah, I think that's a great idea. Why not? I submit my vote. Now, we've created this so that you can do things on-chain or off-chain. So proposals and membership, basic data is stored in Gaia, which is off-chain. It's still decentralized, but it's off-chain. But we do have smart contracts to store the proposal information. And the votes can be done also on-chain or off-chain. That's up to you. Now, the advantage of doing things off-chain is you don't have to pay any gas. So if this were on-chain, my wallet would have come up and I would have had to pay a little bit, a few cents to place a vote. There's something to be said for having people being serious when they place a vote. Now, if I want to create my own proposal, I can. And I can say new park space, and I can specify when voting starts today and when it ends. And then I can provide information, need a large park. Whatever I want to put in here, obviously you want to make a good description and make your case so that people will vote on it and people will vote positively. And then I can submit it. So the idea is that this application could be tied to the Treasury. So a certain amount of that Treasury could be allocated towards what the citizens decide to do and allow them to vote. You could run contests to have people have proposals and have a two-way feedback. These may or may not be things that cost money. They might just be ways of people submitting ideas to the city of Miami. I think there are a lot of directions this could go. There are certainly ways we can make this more verified by having know your customer, KYC procedures, so that when people log in, we can authenticate that the person is in fact who they are, and maybe even validate that they live in Miami, however we want to set it up. But the idea is that we can go a lot of different directions with this. It creates a two-way conversation with the city, and I think it's a great addition to the MiamiCoin interface. So thank you very much. We really enjoyed putting this together and can't wait to hear what happens.